Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV, where you can get the latest news as it breaks. Breaking news, yes, and events happenings totally, generally all around the world. So all you need to do is just press the subscribe button to get notification each time we post, so that you can get updated. Okay? Stay glued to this channel. We love you.
We at the state have had some earlier meeting, especially as regards to the economy and the economic goings of the state. But joining the security meeting, we had to also look at it from a security perspective, and very extensive discussion and engagement were held. I will first use this opportunity to ask the Commissioner of Police just to give us a highlight of some of the very recurring security issues that the command have seen, and the steps that they've taken to curtail and bring to the barest minimum some of the security issues that we've seen and we have in the state. Thereafter, I will come back and I'll be able to talk around our own economic indices and some conversation around what the government intends to do very quickly to reduce the current economic hardship that we have in the state. I'm refraining from the word palliative, but if we choose to use those words, we will not be far from it. But just to identify some areas where government can immediately cushion the effect and steps that will generally improve the quality of life of our citizens and bring about a better government citizens engagement in Lagos State. So